Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening on startup in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's begin. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Startup tab at the top. Here you'll see a list of apps that launch when your computer starts. Find Microsoft Edge in the list, right-click on it, and select Disable. This will stop it from opening automatically. Next, let's make sure Windows itself isn't reopening apps. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Scroll down and turn off the option that says Automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. Finally, open Microsoft Edge itself. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Go to System and Performance, and turn off both Startup Boost and Continue Running Background apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. And that's it! You've now stopped Microsoft Edge from opening every time you start your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech guides.